How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to come really quickly give you guys an update, let you know what's been going on since the last video. As you can see, I ended up getting a haircut, which is awesome. But another thing that I'm more excited about, I've actually been working with a couple companies, and nothing's really final yet. It's still, up in the air. But I made a couple small videos for two separate companies, so that's why I've been busy this weekend. Nothing physically has changed on the car. I've still been thinking about what I'm going to be doing next and how I'm going to be doing that. As you can see here with the Jeep doors behind me, I have been enjoying the Jeep a little bit because we got a little bit of nice weather. But yeah, guys, keep your eyes open. Soon, hopefully, I can share some news with you guys about who I'm working with, because I think it's pretty cool. It's nothing major, but it's a nice little step for the channel. And if you're new here, I mean, consider yourself lucky. We do some really cool stuff here, so stick around. Make sure you go and subscribe. But what I want to talk about next on the car is what we're going to be doing for the suspension. I'm going to be working on doing the front two coilovers. As you guys know, the front and back now is basically a Mustang. So we're going to be getting the strut towers out of a Mustang, hopefully, and then copying the bolt pattern and putting them onto my car here. That way I can get Mustang parts like the camber and caster plates, so I can still have adjustability. And then I got to figure out how I'm going to be attaching coils from the rear axle to the car, because right now the 4-link is set up and the car rolls around, which I'm still very excited about, but we have no suspension yet. So that's the next step. We're going to be working on suspension in the next couple weeks, and then we can start spending some money, which that part I'm not too excited about, but we're going to be rebuilding the engine, the small block 350 out of a 72 Monte Carlo. So that will also be pretty exciting. So yeah, guys, that's kind of where I'm at. That's why, I haven't really uploaded this weekend, but I'm not worried about it. I have a feeling that my uploads are going to be kind of up in the air here and there whenever I have time. But, I mean, you guys have been doing pretty good so far, so I do appreciate it. Anyways, guys, make sure you're on the lookout for my new videos. I'm pretty excited about the progress that we're making now with the car, and I can't wait to see where we go in the next few months. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next week. Or next time. I should say next time.